the tutorial 9 part 2, building a basic search engine with arrays. So we had a problem at the end of our last video. We've set our search variable to Liam. Because we've set it to Liam, Liam's not in our contact list array. It's nowhere to be seen, the name Liam here. So it's just Andrew, Ben, Matthew, John, Jeff and Jan. So that should mean that this if loop's never entered, because the contact should never be equal to the search variable, which means contact found is never reset to 1, so contact found should remain at 0. And this if loop should have been entered so that we get printed out the contact hasn't been found. So the problem, the reason it didn't work in the last video, I'd only used one equal sign, which is the assignment variable, which is the assignment operator. I should use a double equal sign, which actually checks if it's for equality, it's equality operator. So yeah, and it says the contact Liam has not been found. So great, so that's the PHP part done. I'll just adjust the zoom so you can see what I'm doing. I'm not sure if that's quite enough, but we'll do it a couple more times. I think that just about gets everything back into focus. So now that the PHP is done, we don't want our search value variable just to be a constant value. So the way we get around this is we create a form. So the form will have a name equal to form. It will have a method equal to post. It will have an action equal to this page, which is just going to be arrays.php. It will also have actually I think that's all we need at the minute. So if we create the closing tag for our form, and then inside our form we're going to do one input variable, one input field, and it's going to be of the type text. It's going to carry the name search, and we're also going to have input of type equal to submit, and that's going to carry the name submit. So let's save that, and let's say here that search, instead of being a constant value, is equal to post, and in the post we'll say that it's equal to whatever the user's put into the search field. Okay, now let's see if that works. So there is an error, hang on, but if I type in John, contact John has been found. The reason that we get this error is because it's saying that there's an undefined index on line 7. Now the reason that is when the script first runs, this post value, this search field that it receives from the form is empty because the user hasn't entered anything. So what we want to do is we only want our PHP script to be executed once the form has been submitted. So the way that we get around that is quite simple. We say that if is set, if the value is set on the posted search field, and another one of these to cover the if. That's it. So now the PHP code, which is going to go in this if loop, will only run if the form is submitted, which is what we want. That's more like it. And then paste this code in. It's a little bit weak. We want this all to go in on level. Just make sure that, yeah, that should be out there. And then let's try and zoom out a little bit. Not quite. I don't know if you can see. Okay, that should be fine. Should be able to see most of the code now. So with this if loop here basically means only run what's in the if loop once the post value of the form has been, once the post search value has been set. So basically once the form has been submitted, actually we should actually change that to submit. So it should be once the submit field's been submitted. So basically once the form has been submitted, run what's in the if loop. So let's save that now, and that should be our search engine finished. So when we run it, it's not an error anymore. If we search for a name that's there, like Ben, contact Ben's been found. If we search for a name that's there, like John, contact John has been found. If we search for a name that's there, like Andrew, contact Andrew has been found. If we search for a name that's not there, like Billy, the contact Billy has not been found. So that's a very basic search engine working using arrays in PHP. And that ends part 2 of tutorial 9. Thanks for watching.